This is the best memory of my life, being honored at Mohan Bagan Cricket Club. Joy Mohan Bagan. Thank you so much. It has been a huge honor for me. I've been hearing a great deal about Mohan Bagan right from my younger days and playing days. And today was the best day for me, and that too on the birth anniversary of the legendary Chuni Goswami. So this has been my best moment in Kolkata and at the Mohan Bagan Club.
You had been a selector previously.
Have you played with Chuni Goswami? Have you played with Chuni Goswami? Did you meet
Have I played?
Chuni Goswami?
No,
Have you played alongside Chuni Goswami? He's asking.
I have
No.
only met him on one or two occasions. You see, I congratulated him for the accolades which he achieved. The best Indian footballer internationally known, and that was a great meeting along with him. I can't recall which year that was.
You had been a selector. You had been a selector previously. So do you see Rohit Sharma and Virat Kohli in England series, in Test series, and do you think that Rohit Sharma should continue as a captain as well?
No. I just said that in my earlier chat. Okay, you got to leave Virat Kohli, Rohit Sharma to take their own decision, and whenever they want to, they should do that. You see, it's not that we should not forget the great performances which they have done for the country, which they have won great matches for the country, for the Indian team. Right, so on those bases, it's the bad form they're going through, no doubt about it. But we must accept that there are some good times and the bad times for one and all. So you got to wait until they call it a day, when they're going to call it a day, when Rohit is going to step down from the captaincy. It's their decision and it's their prerogative to call it a day whenever they feel like. So let us not be in a hurry, okay? Let us not be in a hurry. They would be a great source of inspiration to the youngsters of today, a great motivation to the youngsters. The youngsters need senior cricketers to motivate them, to inspire them. They are the role models of today. So please do not go about publicizing, अरे भाई बहुत खेल दिए, retire हो जाओ, दूसरों को चांस दो. नहीं. No, it should not happen like that. Leave the decision to them.
Sir, taking a cue from your answer, this side, sir. This side. The Champions Trophy is knocking at the door, and entire new Indian team is going to place almost new Indian team. According to you, who will be the future star of Indian cricket?
You see, there are a good lot of youngsters who are into the A team as well, under 19, and the current Indian team as well. You see, they are capable of being good captain, and a good captain is only seen in the long run, not one match. And if by his luck, if he wins a test match or an ODI, it doesn't mean that he is the best captain. It'll take a long time. Like for instance, Dhoni, when he was made the captain of the Indian team, until he won the 2011 World Cup, right? Until then, you see, he was not called a great captain. Okay? So it'll take a time. The captain will take time with experience and consistency when he leads from the front, like what Dhoni did. Right? So like that, we have got enough potential. We have got enough potential in the Indian team, enough. We can have 3 teams at the highest level. Such talent we have in our country, abundance in talent. So anybody can become a captain. You see now Bumrah has made a great impression, winning a test match and winning ODI, etc. and etc. You have KL Rahul in the making. You have others in the making. You have Rishabh Pant in the making. Right? They can be all good captains in the long run. So a good captain is only seen with consistency in the long run.
There are 4-5 wicket keepers in the fray for Champions Trophy. So if you have to select 2 of them, who do you select out of 4-5 wicket keepers?
Well, there are quite a few competitors in the wicket-keeping slot. The first one will be obviously Rishabh Pant. Then you have Sanju Samson there. You have KL Rahul. You have Ishan Kishan, who's taken a back seat now at the moment. So there's a huge competition. Whoever performs with consistency at the right time will be selected,
if you were a selector,
and there has to
who
be
do you-
two wicket keepers at all times in every team.
Who do you choose if you were a
No,
selector?
you see, now I would choose Rishabh Pant only straight away.
Second-
Because he plays in all the 3 formats, right? And it is very difficult for a player of today to be 100% fit, playing all the 3 formats. So they got to be an T20 team, they got to be an ODI team, they got to be a test team. So it all depends on the board of control, what they are going to decide. There's a lot of concepts, new ideas, how to make a 3-format team, etc. and etc. So on that count, it could be anybody.
Kiri sir, obviously the BCCI has
Who's
Yeah,
calling?
yeah,
this side,
yeah.
this side,
Oh, you.
this side. And BCCI has taken some strict decisions in the review meeting. So, are you in favor of the suggestions that has been mooted by the review in the review meeting? Something like that. Wives should not be traveling with the team, or the players have been made to play the Ranji Trophy, which is now being made mandatory. So, are you in favor of the suggestions that have been mooted by the review committee?
You say it is very important to have the team, to have the wives along with the players in every tour. You say they are a source of encouragement, they are a source of inspiration, they are a source of everything. When the husband is playing, the wife is the biggest force behind his performance. So the wives should be around there with every cricket player who's married. So whatever the decision the board or the selection committee takes is the ultimate. Whether right or wrong, you have no other choice than to accept it.
But the players been made mandatory to play the Ranji Trophy, which was not the case.
Yes, you see now there's so much of cricket being played. If you still ask these test cricketers or ODI cricketers to play Ranji Trophy, the domestic cricket, that is an added injury. You're adding salt to the injury itself. So you got to let them rest and give opportunity to the upcoming players from every state. So I don't see any wrong in giving them a rest into the domestic cricket. No doubt, the cricketers, the senior cricketers, the test players, the ODI players, the iconic players will be a great boost to the Ranji Trophy upcoming players, no doubt about it. But at the same time, you got to consider that they need some rest. You see, every team globally is carrying injuries, niggling injuries. They don't have time to rectify and come out of those injuries.
We have seen few news in the media that Gautam Gambhir is not in good terms with Ajit Agarkar, then again with Rohit Sharma. So you have been a selector yourself. How does this kind of news affect the dressing room of the Indian team? And that too before the Champions Trophy.
Come again.
We have seen few news coming up that Gautam Gambhir is not having some hitches with Agarkar, and then again with Rohit Sharma. They are not in good talking terms. So how does that affect the dressing room of the team? You being a selector.
You see, it's not fair for me to say anything regarding this question because I don't know what's happening between them. I don't know what's happening in the doors. I don't know what's happening in the dressing rooms. I'm not with them on the tours, and I'm not competent to comment on that. You see, you cannot put your finger on one button. You see, there may be so many reasons for that. Why the team is not performing, why there are individuals who are failing. You know, with that kind of experience, with that kind of stature they are all in, why they are failing is unimaginable, and which I cannot also understand why Rohit and Virat Kohli are going through a bad patch for such a long time. such caliber of players they are, they cannot be in such bad form for such a long time. Well, I'm sure they'll come out. In the good times will be there, the bad times are always there.
Do you think that Gautam Gambhir had been handed the job of a coach too early without having prior experience of coaching any international side?
You see,
On the
now
basis
it's
of
all up
IPL?
to the board. It's all up to the board. It's all up to the selection committee also at the same time to appoint a captain. The best way to appoint a manager or a head coach is it should be in consultation with the entire teammates who are selected and taken for granted that they will be in the team. Say 14 members of the test team or the ODI team. They should consult the management, and the BCCI should consult who do you want as the head coach. Then they will say, "Ki bhai, we want this man who has been a great ambassador for the Indian team. This man has a great amount of experience, who is not prejudiced, who is a neutral person to all of us, who is a good human being." This is how a good mentor or a head coach should be chosen according to me. I may stand corrected on that.
A successful coach